Hey guys, so today is February 13th. Due to a lot of exciting events and going back home to California, you will not hear from me for a while. So enjoy peace and quiet, and remember to remain very conservative and very, very selective. So why, oh why is oil so quiet? Here it is. Oil is dancing at the reversal zone on daily charts, reminding you how essential and critical it is to remember. If you're remaining and remind yourself, the key is to remain very, very conservative trader. This is completely expected. No conservative trader, if you're trading daily charts, should be buying here. Conservative trader bought oil all the way down here in 93. Conservative trader never ever got chopped up right here. And this is why oil is so boring and slow, because daily chart, these levels is what's causing a problem. Today was incredibly boring day on oil. Oil is dancing in endless corrective fluff. But oil given very powerful buying opportunity pre-market. If you are up at 4 a.m. EST, you had a very lovely opportunity to buy all the way down to here, because the reversal of the minor bearish trend had been met. And what am I projecting? I'm projecting that oil will make it to here. But oil is stuck now in corrective bearish dance. It ain't pretty. Know when not to trade. And that's exactly why didn't we touch oil today. It is very unattractive the last 2 hours. Very much war zone, and that's the reason we didn't place any trade on oil as of 11:34 EST this morning on February 13th. But so far this week, we had 5 trades on oil, 1 negative, and this is our trade number 6 on S&P, 1 negative. So, remember what has S&P done? Very powerful reversal. Very beautiful buying point at 8 a.m. EST. We know better when bullish trend is so overextended not to enter in the middle of nowhere. I've taken very late, very advanced entry. I spelled out, this is my ultimate destination. And here we are, 2 points later, my stop at break even, as expected. Guess what? I may be taken short. I have a lot more hope for S&P to move than I have on oil, although I may be placing long-term trade on oil. Do you know why? Because weekly is unstoppable. This is what we call in the course dream bullish rally. Know your levels. This level was expected since October 2013. If you're trading weekly, this was your second target. This rally, just like the rally on S&P, is way overextended. That's why oil is so tired on weekly. So, if oil will blast through after this massive brutal chop, respect 186, 101.29, and oil showing very strong potential, making it to 101.96 as spelled out yesterday. Very clear and very precise. Know your levels and know when to acquire position and know when to stay out. S&P heading to 1842.25. As I spelled out many weeks ago, rally started here, correct? And that's where I'm expecting S&P to make it to. 1842 and a quarter. This was my projection, and if you are in Alpha Wave Trader course, you know to respect this level a couple of points prior. All of this had been posted on social media last week in January, second week in January. All of these levels had been reached first week in February, and that's what I'm projecting will happen next. This remains very, very critical level. Do you know what else is so important? S&P needs to blast through this brick wall. Very, very important. Very critical what will transpire by the end of this month. Does S&P have juice, or will it continue further down? The most critical aspect, what you learn in Alpha Wave Trader course, playing out as we speak. Price moves between the levels. Never, ever, ever, ever acquire position into levels. This is the most powerful bearish structure we had seen since 2010. This decision point 2 remains a very big obstacle. And this is what S&P will show us possibly in the next hour. That's why I'm monitoring for a short. Out of S&P as expected. Stop was at break even, 2 points out. So if you remember where decision points and reversal zones are, you know what to monitor for. Have a fantastic, awesome, and amazing Valentine's Day. Love you guys to pieces. Forever grateful for Danny's presence in my life. I couldn't do this without Danny. And I can't wait to see Jim in Miami tomorrow. And I can't wait to see Hank in Newport Beach next week. And I love you, love you, love you to pieces. So have a fantastic, awesome weekend. Remember, patience and discipline is the key. Without patience and discipline, nothing is possible. And pretty please, live love. Life becomes magic if you do so.